dollar plus inflation. Now, you may have heard of this something totally different as the 4% rule. The 4% rule, super popular. A lot of people have started to follow that through the years. There was a gentleman that did research and basically said, hey, if you pull 4% from your portfolio every single year, adjusting slightly for inflation, and then you have the ability to make this last for over 30 years. And that's a big thing for a lot of people wanting to retire. So they stick with the 4% rules. Now, I like the idea of it. It completely removes emotion out of the equation because some people say, well, do I have enough to retire? And then from there, okay, well, is this money going to last? The market's up, the market's down. What do I do? Maybe I spend less, maybe I spend more. That removes all of that emotion and the concerns there. You know, as I mentioned, the research shows that it should last you for the 30 years. Now, you do have to be careful. You can't put it all on Tesla and hope that it's all going to work out. You may have a lot of money or you may not have anything left at the end of the plan. But really, let's look at the cons, though, because if you are overspending and maybe you just happen to get hit with a big bill that comes about and you're set on a 4% rule, that could force you to overspend in those years. That could easily create a massive issue there. What we talk about here with clients with Jazz is also the go-go and the slow-go years. Well, this kind of depletes the idea of that because you now have a 4% rule instead of maybe a 6% in the early years and a 4% in the later years. So you've got to really be careful with how you're looking at doing that.